Namaste, welcome back to our channel RR Corporates. Today's video is a crucial for every taxpayers as we unpack the revised income tax return ITR forms 2025-26. Whether you are a salaried or professional or a business owner or running a trust, so these changes directly impact you. We'll go section by section, highlighting major updates, legal reference, and the real world impact. So stay tuned till the end to get practical filing tips that can save your time, money, and avoid notices. Let's dive into the subject background of the legal framework. We'll see background and legal framework. Income tax governed by Income Tax Act 1961. Section 139, subsection 1, mandatory return filing, and section 295, CBDT's power to notify rules. And Rule 12 of Income Tax Act 1962. So Rule 12 of Income Tax Rules 1962 specifies ITR form applicability. Notification for the financial year 25-26 issued early to ensure preparedness. Now we'll go through the all ITR forms you should file. Which form? So ITR-1, salary up to 50 lakh. Salary to 50 lakh ITR-1, and capital gains, foreign assets ITR-2, business professional income ITR-3, presumptive taxation 44 AD, ADA, AE ITR-4, and ITR-5 for LLPs, firms, AOPs, ITR-6 for companies except claiming section 11, ITR-7 trust under section 11(12). So filing the wrong ITR leads to defective return notice under section 139 subsection 9. And we'll discuss on LTCG up to 1.25 lakh allowed in ITR-1, 4. Now up to 1.25 lakh LTCG under section 112A. File ITR-1 or ITR-4. Big relief to salaried investors. Legal backing, Rule 12(1) EAC. Now we'll discuss on ITR-4 disclosures. Section 115 BAC gives option of lower slab rates. ITR-4 now has filed Form 10 IEA, opted out earlier or continued opting out. Once opted out, cannot opt in again without meeting conditions. There are certain conditions. So legal reference in 21 AG, section 115 BAC 6. Now mandatory TDS section discloses. Earlier only PAN deductor needed. Now must mention correct TDS section. Example like 194A for interest, 194J for professional fees. So help CPC match claims correctly and avoid fraud. Section 194 series, Rule 31. So capital gain, date-based reporting post 23rd July 2024. Budget 2024 mandates amendments. Different tax treatment for transfer before and after 23rd July 2024. So ITRs requires date of acquisition, date of transfer, split computation. So ensure correct regime is used in 1111A, 112 versus new rules. Finance Act 2024, section 1111A, 112. Now we'll discuss on revised schedule assets and liabilities threshold. Now 1 crore earlier, assets and liabilities schedule was mandatory if income is greater than 50 lakh. Now threshold rise to 1 CR. Applies to ITR 2, 3, 5, and 6. Benefit is to reduce compliance burden for middle income earners. Rule 12(2) and instructions to ITR forms. Now we'll discuss on detailed deduction reporting. mandatory to disclose. ATC, insurance company name, policy number. ATD, health policy name, number. ATG, plan of donee, registration, mode of payment. HRA, employer location and landlord plan above 1 lakh rent per year. 80 EEA and ATE lenders plan loan account details. So the goal is to reduce fraudulent deduction claims. And legal reference section 80C to 80U, Rule 26C, Form 12BB. Now we will discuss on foreign retirement account relief section 89A. Applies to countries with notified agreements, US, UK, Canada. Earlier complex, now simplified via structured reporting in the ITR. Relief available if tax deferred in resident country. Reference CBDT circular number 2 of 2022, section 89A. Mandatory disclosure of active bank accounts. Must list all active accounts. So dormant means no transaction for over 2 years as per RBI definition. So select one account for a refund. Reference Rule 12(1)(c). Section 11, ITR utility. Digital features. ITR utility is available from April 2025. So auto prefill, salary, TDS, capital gains, interest. So reconcile with the form 26As, AIS annual info statements, TIS taxpayer info statements. The reference is section 285BB, Rule 1145. Section 12, penalties and consequences, late fee filings. And income is a less than 5 lakh 1,000 rupees, above 5 lakh 5,000. Section 23, section 234F. So take care of in time filing to avoid penalties and consequences. If it is any mismatch notice, section 143, subsection 1, any defective return, section 139, subsection 9, will get notice. So high risk taxpayers may face scrutiny. This video is only for educational purpose and does not constitute tax or legal advice. So please consult a qualified tax professional for your specific situation. Provisions are as per law as on June 2025. We have two channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Tax. Please do subscribe for legal more updates. Thank you.